At Forecaster, we just bought a stock active in IT security field. In this video, we will analyze the company and we will tell you exactly why we bought it.
For the first time ever, they had a positive quarter. Of course, when we find a company like this, we don't have to buy with blind eyes, because could be just the case. Could be something, I don't know how to say in English, but could be just the case, okay? So this is why we have, first of all, to understand what the company is doing. They are a technology company active in the software infrastructure, and they are active in a very interesting sector, which is the internet security section, the internet security field, let's say, okay? And this is a very nice sector. This is a very nice company, guys, because if let me open my notes. Where is it? Yes, break even. Here we are. So Tenable Holdings is a very nice company because they are specialized in internet security, and at the end of 2023, they had 44,000 clients, and 60% of the Fortune 500 companies were Tenable Holding clients. So they are very nice. Look at this company sales trend. They are very nice. They are growing fast. Okay. The quarterly are impressive, and thanks God, we had the first profit quarter. If we go here, of course, we don't have to buy with blind eyes the company. We have to analyze it a little bit better. So talking about the solidity, we have a 2.36 Altman Z-score, which give us a moderate risk of bankruptcy situation, but it's okay. Okay, it's very close to the safe zone, so it's okay. Piotroski score, here we can find a really nice momentum, guys. Look, from 2022, they really increased, and we are now in what we can consider a safe zone, a green zone. Very nice. I really love this trend. I really love Piotroski F-score because it tells us if the company has a good momentum. And of course, Beneish M-score, probably the most important ratio. This ratio is telling us that the company is unlikely to be manipulating its earnings, okay? The company is resilient. They are issuing some shares because probably they need money to invest in the company. But even if the company is not robust, we have a resilient feedback from the forecaster, and even if they are issuing some shares, the efficiency of the company is going up, is growing, which is something really interesting in my opinion. Okay, so first step of our analysis, fundamentally speaking, this is a very nice company. Good sector, good industry, fundamentally speaking, very nice. Of course, when we talk about a company that lost so much money in the past, we cannot apply the fair value, of course. No sense, completely no sense, okay? If we go to the overview page, guys, look what we find here. A very nice situation with our super tool that tell us if we have an upside opportunity between prices and then the net income line. These stocks should be here at the top, not here at the bottom, okay? Very nice, because here we can see, as you can see, that from minus 92, minus 68, at the moment, the TTM, the trailing 12-month earning, of course, is the same of the end of the year at the moment because we are in January, but it's minus 36, which is something really interesting, okay? So now we have to add the second part of our analysis, which is the statistical and technical analysis. We have to go to the overbought and oversold section. And here, guys, we have such an interesting situation because these shares are doing a sideways movement since the last June, okay? And here we had a very interesting low that, thanks to the DPO, we can find in green. Another one here, another very interesting low here, another very interesting at the same level, which we know is very interesting. Another one here at the beginning of the year, which was colored by the DPO in green. And here we are again on a very important low. Very interesting. This is a very nice technical situation. What we can also see is, thanks to the Wyckoff, in all this period, in all this sideways movement we can find on the chart, the number of buyers increased compared to the number of sellers. And this is an amazing news because, guys, this is a company, this is what we can call in technical analysis accumulation. Look, sideways movement in the stock with buyers that are increasing. This is what we call accumulation. Thanks to this indicator, we can really say if a sideways movement is an accumulation of or a distribution. And in this case, we can definitely say it's an accumulation because the number of buyers are increasing. Do you understand, guys? Is it clear? Thanks to this indicator, we can say if a specific period, like this one, where prices stayed on a range, is an accumulation or a distribution. And in this case, we can definitely say it's accumulation. Malachi said, very clear, thank you. Perfect. Perfect. Let's have a look to the speed. And here we find exactly the same situation from a completely different approach, which is a physics, let's say, approach, which is a speed approach. We can find exactly the same things. Lower lows, higher lows. It means that during this period where we experience it, lower lows, the speed of prices decreased because we have a divergence between the indicator and the prices. And this is why today, we bought this company. This is a very nice company, and we just bought these shares. And I really think that during the 2025, we can have a good results thanks to this company. Okay? We are having good results thanks to the picks we made at the beginning of the year. If you lost this video, top stocks pick 2025, we can, for example, bought Cloudflare, which is a very nice company, which is skyrocketing at the moment. Look, is going really high, and we are very happy. And also in this case, as you can see, we bought the company because of the business, because of the fundamentals, because of many things. and also the net income plotted on the chart tool, which is something so easy, but it works really, really nice. Okay? Yes, Lauren, these webinars are every week, and of course you can subscribe, and you will receive also the recorded version of the webinar, and then during the week we upload on our YouTube channel the extract of these webinars. Okay, and of course, guys, if you have any question, if you need assistance from our side, here you have a chat and you can speak with our customer support. Okay, before to go to the last topic of the day, I would like to ask you a favor, guys. As you probably noticed from my accent, we are from Italy. We are in Switzerland right now, but we are very close to Italy because we are Italians. Look, I show you exactly where we are. We are here in Chiasso, which is, look, this is Chiasso, and look, this is Switzerland, the Italian part of Switzerland, and this is Italy. So we are Italian, but we live in Switzerland. Our company is in Switzerland, and we are a part of Switzerland which is surrounded. Maybe here you can understand better. Yes, this is Switzerland. Here we are, and this is Tessin, which is the Italian part of Switzerland, and we are in the first town in Switzerland. So, as you probably can understand from my accent, I'm Italian, and we're trying to reach a international audience for the Forecaster terminal. And we, of course, as you can see, many people use the Forecaster in Italy, but slowly we are going abroad. And if you have 5 minutes, maybe 1 minute of your life, and you go to Google and you write Forecaster.biz, you can write a review for us. If you like our software, if you like our webinars, if you go here in Google and you write us a review, 5-star please, I will be more than happy. Thank you very much. And if you have 2 minutes of your life, you can go here and you can go to Forecaster.biz Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a website where you can write reviews about software, services, and all these kind of things. And also here, if you write us a review in English, thank you very much, because it will be very helpful for us for going abroad and reach an international audience. Okay? Thank you very much. Yes, Ali, we are very close to Lugano. We are very, very close to Lugano. 15 minutes by car.